Hi, this is just a test of a dwarf. Okay. Tom? Yes, mother? Come in. Okay. I'm coming. Wait here for a sec. Yes, Mom? I just closed the door. I know. Okay. Well, let's go. What the?